Alright, I'm gonna show you right here. Let's tile in this bathroom. Basically, on these walls, we use a 2x2 tiles, 2 feet by 1 feet. It's very big, and the way they're connected, see, is flush. This tile unions, they were guys. It's perfect. It's so great. Make my job so easy. And if you see from here, it's no bumps. It's just perfect living. Same the back side, same thing in here. So that's I can call perfect installation of this. Alright, then this one right here is the border. It's going around. That's a niche right there. I don't really like how it looks, but that's what they choose. You know, it's just like a small trim around, and then the small for the soap or something like that. Anyway, that's that work. All day in here. We're about to finish. Actually, we're finished, but it's around 9 o'clock. My team is tired, I'm tired. But tomorrow we gotta start another project. Alright everyone. Hopefully you guys can learn from this. The tip for today will be, if anybody is trying to do tile, big tile or a 2x2 tile, buy them. Buy those stuff. They're kind of quite expensive, but it's just gonna make your job softly and smooth. And the floor we done the same way. It's all perfect even. It's not bumping out. It's all perfect. I'll use some stuff in there. Alright, we thought we was gonna able to get this shower done in a day or less. It took more than that with a small detail. Okay. Alright, take care everyone.